Model 2018 Fiat Talento VIVARO TRAFIC long wheelbase, diesel 1.6 Multijet 120 body, white, panel van mileage, 113130 MOT, the 28th of March 2024 engine, 1598 CCR9 M408B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Engine, clutch and gearbox are 100%. Just needs the turbo replacing and it will be perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon, EU status, Euro